Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. It's Shaw time. I'm talking Shaw Vinyl Flooring, one of the biggest flooring companies in the world. Also makes vinyl, and today we're installing it on Jones Knows.
So beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
All right, let's see what we got. What's that?
There's two doors. Figure out.
Yeah. Why is there two? Don't make a wrong choice.
We'll find out.
Today on Jones Knows. Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping me in the videos are my sons, Tristan and Hunter, as well as Joe. So we are working on our latest job, which is Shaw FLOORTE. I gotta get a pronunciation on this. FLOORTE Shaw Vinyl Flooring. Let's just call it what it is. It's Shaw Vinyl. And we're doing a couple thousand feet of it with a ton of trim. We have 1x8 modern base and all new door casings. We have our doors that we took the casings off are literally falling off. They literally did not attach the door frame to anything. When we took the casing off, we had to put a screw in it just to hold it because the whole
thing fell down.
The what?
Huh?
What happened?
The whole door fell down as soon as we took the casing off of it.
Jesus.
They stapled it and then nailed it to the wall.
But they didn't really
Secure.
Yeah.
They attached the door.
They attached the door to the casing, but not to the house. It seemed like it would almost take longer to do it that way, to get it to balance there until you can get the casing nailed in.
Yeah.
So that's going to be a lot of fun. We're also casing around the windows because we have it already, and the owner just doesn't want these little corner blocks. So we're gonna redo all the windows, and then of course we're doing a custom staircase. Oh yeah. We're gonna stain it to match the floor. We're doing solid oak, custom, 1 inch thick. It's gonna be amazing. I'm not gonna spare any expense. I'm breaking out all my good tricks and know-how for this, so you don't wanna miss it. So today I wanted to go over a few things that you might find wrong with your job when you remove your carpet or whatever flooring that you have down. These are some basic problems and how to correct them. So first is we have missing pieces of wood, holes. In our case here, we had a lot of issues with the seams, and the best thing for us to do, oh my God, I'm already stepping in the mud. Today I'm going with some pre-mixed. I didn't have my mixer with me, and I wasn't expecting to do this today. I didn't think we'd get this much work done. So I went and grabbed some pre-mixed patch. And it's real easy to work with. If you don't want to have to mix mud up, you want something fast, then this is your stuff. As we open it, you see what it looks like there? It's almost like play sand at first, but it hardens. So this is real easy to work with. I just take my trowel, put some right on the back of the trowel here, and wherever we find a spot that we want to go over, we have some holes in the floor here. I basically just keep extra on the back of the trowel, and I just keep going around, hitting these areas. We got most of them. There's another spot. Might need to reload. There's a little on the front. Look at that. That's all there is to it. This stuff is really easy to work with. The pre-mixed stuff it's pretty nice. It's a little more expensive, but there's no mixing. Oh, definitely need to reload that one, but I think you get the idea. Super easy to work with, and it fixes your leveling problems. So that's one thing. Here's another one here. We have different height floors. Believe it or not, we have 2 height floors. Yep, they raised up the area starting where you see the ramping. This is a float. That's all new plywood. From here over, concrete. They put these are carpet ramps. Shims down. When you take this off, it's 1/2 inch. Both of these doorways. Here, we ramped it down. Over here, there are 2 little small doorways that go a couple different ways, so we want it to feel solid. We're just gonna put plywood in both of these rooms. And so far, the floor is coming out really good. I like the way it looks. Cuts easy. It's nice to be able to use just a razor knife to do the floor. And then we have the downstairs, another 1,000 or so feet of flooring with trim. And downstairs, we're going over tile. So I'm going to show you what we do over tile when you're doing vinyl and you're worried about the pattern showing through. Maybe you have a thinner vinyl, maybe you have a really thick grout joint. Whatever it is, I'm going to show you how to fix that on your tile. So be sure to tune in. You're not going to want to miss anything. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite, product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors is best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.